Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Firestick. So if you want additional privacy while using your Firestick, then just follow along. From the home screen, open Find and then Search. Then in the search bar, type the name of a VPN that's available in Amazon App Store. Then download and install the VPN app, and once installed, launch it and create an account if necessary. Then from there, sign in and connect to a nearby server for the fastest speeds. And after you're connected, return to your streaming apps and use your Firestick as normal. And if your streaming becomes slower, disconnect and reconnect to a different nearby server to see if performance improves. And you need to keep in mind that many free VPNs have limitations such as fewer server locations, speed restrictions, or monthly data caps. For the smoothest streaming experience, always use the fastest available internet connection alongside your VPN. So that was how to install a free VPN on Firestick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.